playing dominoes there. Yeah. Julienne fries and then the burger inside, so let's give that a try. Donde la Cuba de ayer se vive hoy. Different kinds of roosters. Giant ones. You can see they're basically actually taller than me. Welcome to Little Havana. We are in Little Havana. We are on the famous Calle Ocho, and we are next to the Domino Club, the Domino Park, landmark here in Little Havana, where people enjoy some domino games. So we'll go check this place out. Yeah, people playing dominoes there. Look at this. So we have really nice tiles there with Calle Ocho. People just hanging out here next to palm trees. Here on the floor, we have some more dominoes. Yeah, it's a cute little plaza of sorts. Chickens and chicks and roosters here. Ooh. Yeah. So Key West and Little Havana both have their local roosters and chickens. So we're gonna go get some cold ice cream right here. A place called Azúcar Ice Cream Company. We have some nice live music here from the Ball and Chain. So yeah, let's go inside and get some Cuban ice cream. Thank you. All right, so we're in here. It smells actually really nice. It's like maybe they make their own waffle cones. Cool little place here. Home of the famous Abuela. What's Abuela Maria? Yes? All right, so we got our ice cream. I decided to get the famous Abuela Maria. So this is a cheesecake with guayaba and something else. What is it? It's guava chunks, cream cheese, and Maria cookies. This is what I got. So let's give it a try. Very nice. It's not too sweet. It's nice. Well, we'll finish this ice cream and head out to check more of Little Havana. So I was right, and they actually make their own waffle cones here. So you can see that's their station over there. Yeah, they just basically make waffles and then roll them up there. Got the timer down there. Boom. Take it out, roll it up, and boom. So yeah, that's how they make their waffle cones. They were actually pretty good, really good ice cream place here with Azúcar. Oh, so apparently this Azúcar is in honor of Celia Cruz that used to scream. She used to scream Azúcar. We had some good ice cream. Now we'll just continue walking along Calle Ocho and just take in some of the sights. Interestingly, I read that Little Havana, before becoming Little Havana in the late 50s, early 60s, was actually a Jewish neighborhood here in Miami. And nowadays, there's actually, although Cubans are still a majority here in Little Havana, there's a lot more Central American immigrants coming to live in the area as well. So here we have Donde la Cuba de ayer se vive hoy. So where the Cuba of yesteryear or yesterday can be, I guess, experienced today. Some roosters over there. So yeah, these just gonna cross the street. These are famous roosters here. Not sure why. I get maybe it's really the same idea as in Key West. So yeah, different kinds of roosters, giant ones. You can see they're basically actually taller than me. Really cool. So I guess it's back to those cockfighting maybe days. We can hear lots of Latin music everywhere in there. There's obviously lots of Cuban establishments, but you can see things are probably starting to change. There's a sushi bar there. And this looks like maybe more of a Mexican joint. Welcome to Little Havana. So yeah, definitely walking here along Calle Ocho is nice. Get in some of that Cuban vibe. We're on the lookout for some Cuban sandwiches. Some more live music here. Mofongo, so Puerto Rican cuisine. So yeah, you can see this predominantly Cuban, but also a mixed Latin neighborhood. Let's get some Cubano sandwich there. So we'll try this place, which is supposed to be decent. It's supposed to be pretty good, actually. It's called El Rey de las Fritas. So the French fry king. Hey guys, just taking a quick break from the video here. I wanted to say how much I appreciate all the support that I've been getting on the channel recently. We've actually more than 4x the amount of subscribers since the beginning of the year, and I really appreciate every one of you that has subscribed to the channel. If you are enjoying the content, please do consider liking and subscribing to continue supporting my work. And now, back to the video. We are inside El Rey de las Fritas, so we got a few things here. So basically their specialty is this frita cubana, so kind of like a burger with loaded with some French fries as well. So we'll try that, and we'll try the cubano as well. So that's pretty cool. And like an old school diner. With some Cuban memorabilia, some pictures of Cuba. We got our milkshakes. This is guanábana. That's soursop? All right, let's try this. It's nice. Nice and thick. A little sweet. And yeah, actually nice. Not too sweet. Oh, really good. And got a Mexican Coke. Just to. Our food has arrived. So we have the original Cubano here. So we got lots of fries there, kind of like julienne fries, and then the burger inside. So let's give that a try. Very, very good. The burger is really flavorful. Lots of spices. You can even see like the meat. It has lots of spices in there. Really, really good. Let's try the Cubano sandwich. Looks nice. It's got cheese, ham, some more pork, I think, and some pickles. Pretty good. Pretty good. I actually prefer the Cubano original. Sorry, the frita. What is it? Frita original. It's actually really good. I like it. We finished all that, and actually the frita original is really, really good. So we ordered another one. Honestly, really, really good place. El Rey de las Fritas. Really good place. Get the original. We decided to also try their flan. So let's try. The flan is really nice. A little sweet, caramelly, really nice custard. Muchas gracias. Muchas gracias. Gracias, amigo. Oh, and we decided to get a little Cuban coffee. Smells nice. Let's try. It's nice. It's sweetened. I didn't expect it to be sweetened. It's actually nice. Kind of like an espresso, sorry, a sweetened espresso. Pretty nice. El Rey de las Fritas. Really good. Definitely recommend it on Calle Ocho. We're continuing here in Little Havana, just passing on the lively Calle Ocho. You can hear music everywhere. Very lively, lots of colors. Have a nice street art here, Little Havana. So, we got live music here as well. More roosters. Cigar shops. Lots of street art here. Really cool Cuban flag there with the palm tree, the mountains and the sea. This was our quick stroll in Little Havana. It was short but memorable. And now we'll head off to South Beach to check out some of the nice Art Deco architecture. See you guys soon.